Hello friends and welcome back to Story Time with Miss Luz. Today we're gonna be reading about the rain. Let's begin. It's called Rain Drop Flop. Rain drops flip flop. Look, more rain's falling on top of her and the bunny. Drip drop flip flop. Drip, drop, flip, flop, splash, sploosh, sploosh. Look at her bunny's getting wet. Rain drips, flip flops, rain drops, flops. Ooh, it looks like the rain's going away. Look at the pretty rainbow. Rain stops. Oh, look, she can see herself and her bunny. Splish, splosh. The end, friends. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.